The ASIGO System Review Plus exclusive bonus, link in description. What is the ASIGO system all about? This is really a totally new kind of enterprise model, combines the best parts of e-commerce and affiliate marketing, and removes most of the headaches like inventory, shipping, suppliers and even traffic, paid or otherwise. It delivers extraordinary profits on high-ticket recurring sales. This course has been combined using their latest software development, Amplifier, which automates the entire thing. The ASIGO system can tell you how exactly to generate $100,000 each year or more with a completely automated online shop selling a high-ticket e-service, which is a digital service that is both sold and fulfilled online. A couple of examples you may have heard about before are becoming paid whenever somebody applies for a credit report, or files their taxes online or claims a free software trial. The ASIGO system business design is a lot like drop shipping, where you connect the customer with the service and get paid. But, rather than getting paid $20 or $40 for sending customers, they're going to show you ways to get paid $1 or maybe more monthly for every sale you make. They're even going to supply you with the e-store with content constantly updated and optimized, your personal custom brand and logo along with a proven 8-figure funnel with every one of the automation built in. This includes a robust pre-built custom traffic tool as well that sends you pre-qualified buyers from a pool of over 40 million people. Pros: where do I start? No website? No problem. They'll provide you with the exact template to create simple, push-button authority websites, 100% newbie-friendly. They're structured in a very specific way that's driven sales of over 200,000 digital and physical products for Chris and Jay. This really is not merely a new service, your content lands on multiple platforms such as for example Facebook, YouTube, and Google. You're not beginning with zero, you can leverage existing authority, brands and audiences. Their press release submissions include a Google News submission. Air releases. Com charges $399 for Google News inclusion, other services charge similar rates. The articles are written for you, and prepared to submit in only 2 days. The ASIGO System Review Plus exclusive bonus, link in description.